Monday, we celebrate Independence Day, the day we declared a new nation based on a revolutionary idea that people ought to determine their own destiny, that freedom and self-governance weren't gifts handed to us by kings or emperors, but the rights of every human being.
Tim Prestero and his colleagues at Design That Matters helped create revolutionary products for developing countries, including a neonatal incubator made of spare car parts and a projector for nighttime adult literacy classes in Africa.
Its own air conditioning system, that was a big deal. It took only one person to operate. One is in Youngstown, Ohio, and it's focused on 3D printing, an entirely new way by which the manufacturing process can accelerate and supply chains get stitched together, and you integrate design and all the way through production in ways that are can potentially be revolutionary. We must never forget that the spark for so much of this revolutionary change, for this blossoming of hope, was lit by you, the people of Poland.
And the relationship is extraordinary and doesn't, I don't think, need some set of revolutionary concepts.